Swart. Nano? Trout. White.
Gusto mo nga dua?
What? Kinain ko nung isang di ba nung
Dalawa? One go?
Hindi, isa lang. Isa lang naman.
Baka naman.
Baka gusto mo nga dua.
Uy, metong mo nung Martes ba yon? Tapos nung
Oo, masarap yun.
kahapon. Masarap.
Nabili niya kasi first time.
Yan ang frozen dito.
Nilagyan ko lang ng nilagyan ko lang siya ng lemon at saka
Video yan, Chu.
Next week gagawa ko ng seafood salad.
Hi!
Atin tang kaya kang telephone meron.
Yeah. We're having barbecue. With our hands. See? Look. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Are you going to send it, Sam?
Yeah.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Matt. We're here in your mom and dad's place at the moment. We're having barbecue. We just finished eating. Later on, we're going to have wine and we're going to have fruit salad. Take care. Bye-bye. It's
I pushed all this one.
Face.
Makone.
We're going to fly in a minute.
Makone. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Oh, nada. Ready to take off.
Meron kayo yung tara.
Oh, yeah.
Tara.
Boom, boom, boom.
na yung masali.
Antay sa laptop mo.
It's inside, isn't it?
Walang access wireless.
No.
Ibo kami.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Tara.
No access. There's no wireless access. Why?
Itak
There's
mo.
only few ones.
That's Eric's favorite song.
It's Joey
mo.
De Leon. Itak mo. Tan 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 tan.
How can you get signal? Because there's no one here with wireless internet. Oh. Maybe there's a... Yeah, there's got one. Doesn't know, maybe the neighbors.
Yung mga tiyan nila gumaganon. Yung mga bata.
May luma niya tayo tangutso.
2004.
Boom tara-tara, tsaka itaktak mo ngayon Sa channel 2, tsaka channel 7.
Boom tarat naman yung channel. Wawawi.
Yung 2003 naman yung Asere.
Alam ko pa yung kanta na yun
Alam mo yung
Mahabi abid to be arid biriri pi. Sabi niya ata Asere dehe bit to behe. De beste binoba mahabi abri bugi ani biriri pi. Sabi niya. Ano ba yun?
Si Samantha, kacho yung, ano ba yung sa Greece? Let's get together.
Ruby,
no?
I don't know that.
Oh, you don't know?
No.
Of course you know.
Any messages?
She's going to send that by internet.
Okay. Hello. This is we're cold.
We're having barbecue.
Last night I was having ice cream on in bed.
Wow!
And I was watching American Idol. Wow.
And a fruit salad.
What's the final?
Uy, ano ba yung nanalo ng Eurovision na yun?
Oh, Serbia.